Hello, my name is Lisette Joana Rodriguez Isaza. I am studying children pedagogy in sixth semester, SECAR University Corporation, in the course English 6. My teacher is Paula Andrea Figueroa Ramirez. Activity. In this video, I will express my wishes. Number 1. I wish God to always be with me every day at every stage of my life. I know that if I have Him, we'll have everything. Number 2. I wish have my family, I live and healthy for many years. They are the engine of my life. I wish to be able to enjoy with them and get to know many places. Number 3. I wish to finish my career successfully, have my bachelor's degree in child pedagogy. Number 4. I wish I can start my family, get married, and have my children. Number 5. I wish I could play my favorite instruments very well. That is great decided that I hope to achieve. Number 6. I wish to be able to improve my work situation, have wherever a job or create. I want school where I can't help train boys and girls with a comprehensive education where they can learn be happy. Thank you. Goodbye.